guys, Chris here at Sonax Detailing Academy UK. What I want to show you in this video is how to use our Actifoam Energy, which is right here. The first thing you need to do is have a big coat and a hot chocolate in a lovely branded mug, because it's absolutely freezing today. We have the RX-7, which I'm going to be foaming. So back to the serious stuff. First thing you need is our Actifoam Energy. Yeah, it comes in 1 litres, 5 litres or 10 litres if you never want to buy snow foam again. So the main thing is this snow foam concentrated. Unlike most foams on the market where you need, I don't know what they say, you need 1 inch in a bottle or 100, 200, 300 mil, 400 mil or whatever. If you like to use the whole litre in your snow foam lance, so drain it all the way through, which is probably best advised because then it doesn't sit in the lance and clog it up, you only need 50 mil. And I'm going to show you, I'm going to prove it. So here it is. Right, so this is our Actifoam Energy. I've undid the lid because that would be a really boring video seeing me trying to unscrew a lid. So this isn't going to be very scientific, but the water will. But I'm going to drop in just a tiny amount. There we go. As you can see, I'd say I've nailed it. 100 mil, that's about halfway up. It tapers away at the bottom, so it's probably a little bit less, but as you see, there's not much in there at all. Okay, and this is water, just plain water, no tricks, just straight from the tap. And I'm going to pour that in, obviously missing a bit to begin with. Trying to hold a camera and pour this, that will do. And that's it. And then we just screw this on. This is I completely underestimated doing this with one hand. But we'll plow on, I'm standing for it, There we go, give that a good shake up. Now this is going to be difficult, because I'm going to have to clip it on the lance. Excuse me while I just clip this on. There we go, it's on. Giving it a good shake. Let's turn up the foam and see what we get. Done. Pop that back up. Pop that in there for a second. And there we go. You can see from 50 mil, we've got pretty much the perfect consistency of foam. It clings really well, but doesn't sit there for ages and ages, because you don't want that. You must remember, a snow foam, well, our snow foam is pH neutral, it's phosphate free, it's completely safe. So it's not a very powerful cleaner, because we don't want it to strip coatings and stuff. But what we do need is we need a reasonably thick foam that moves as one, if you can see, down the panel, which will push contaminants off like it's doing here. Yeah. And that's exactly what we want a foam to do. Especially in maintenance washing, we don't want super powerful alkaline based foams which are going to strip your waxes and LSPs and ceramic coatings and stuff. So that's super safe. I'm going to leave that for a few minutes and I'll jet wash it off and we'll see how clean it is. Right, so the foam is doing its job, or done its job. You can see it's starting to break up in a few areas now. The big blanket has done most of the work. It's given me time to fill up my buckets and also drink my hot chocolate. Perfect in my eyes. So I'm going to give this a jet wash off. Right, I've cut that short because I don't think you want to watch me trying to balance the camera and jet wash off a car, but you get the idea. What you do notice from that video though, as soon as I'm jet washing away the foam, the water beading effect is coming straight back. That's because our foam contains surfactants which effectively lower the surface tension of the panel, breaking the beading effectively. Because it's no good if we just spray this on, it beads up and then falls off. That's a sign of a very poor foam. We need that blanket of foam to be able to do its job, as well as the gentle cleaners. So now I've jet washed away that's now ready for the contact wash. So all the loose dirt, loose contaminants have come away, and now it's just light soiling left on the vehicle, which will now be removed safely in the 2-bucket contact wash. If you haven't tried this, guys, give it a go. As you say, the dilution ratio is crazy. So 1 litre is equivalent to 5 litres in most other brands. And as I said, if you never want to buy foam again, buy 10 litres and you'll be sick of the stuff by the end of it. It does smell great. It smells like the name Actifoam Energy comes from smelling like a well-known energy drink. So if you tried it, you'll know. If you haven't, grab a bottle and honestly give it a go. You can get it on our website, which will be in the comments below. And also let us know if you've used it or you're going to use it. Leave us a review. Let us know how it goes. And if you like the video, subscribe, hit the notifications button to keep up with everything that we post. I'll see you in the next video.